Your new Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra, or Plus home screen doesn't have to look like everyone else's. With a few tweaks, you can turn it into something sleek, unique, and fully yours. Let's go beyond just wallpapers and icons. Let's make your home screen truly feel like you. Before you add anything new, go ahead and clear out those messy pages. Just tap and hold on any home screen page, and you'll see that little bin icon pop up at the top right. Tap it, and just like that, goodbye clutter. Make sure you have at least 1 or 2 blank pages so you can have a clean canvas to work with. And here's a quick tip. If you want to clean up your app pages too, tap the 3-dot menu and hit Clean Up Pages. Boom! Everything gets organized in seconds. Doesn't that already feel refreshing? Now that we've got a clean home screen, let's talk about wallpaper. This is where your phone really starts to show personality. Tap and hold your home screen, go to Wallpaper, then Change Wallpaper. You can pick something pre-installed, choose a photo from your gallery, or get creative with AI-generated wallpapers using Creative Studio. Just type a prompt and create your own unique background. It's actually pretty fun. Next up, let's talk themes. Wallpapers are great, but themes are what really bring everything together. Samsung's Galaxy Themes lets you customize your wallpaper, app icons, and overall look to make your home screen feel more polished and unique. When choosing icon packs, make sure they match your wallpaper but are still easy to recognize. I personally like the glass icon theme. It's clean, modern, and doesn't feel messy. The key here is to keep it stylish but also functional. You should be able to recognize your apps instantly. But of course, pick whatever fits your style best. Now, if you really want to take things to the next level, you've got to try Good Lock. This one's only for Samsung users, and it's a total game changer. It basically gives your home screen superpowers. Just download Good Lock from the Play Store or Galaxy Store. Open it and allow the permissions. Then go ahead and install Home Up. Once that's done, open it, go to Home, and you'll find the option called DIY Home Screen. Now go back to your home screen, tap and hold, and select DIY from the top right. From here, you can move apps exactly where you want them, change their size and shape, and even add some really cool widgets. You can add battery widgets for your Galaxy devices, quick shortcuts for your most used apps, or even a gallery widget where you can display your favorite photos or albums right on your home screen. At this point, you're basically designing your own perfect setup. So from here, the possibilities are endless. Finally, take a step back and look at your home screen. Does it feel like you? Make sure it's not just good looking, but also easy to use. Your app should be easy to find, your widget should actually be useful, and everything should feel balanced. Hope this guide helps. Thanks for your time.